The what? Oh yeah, I know. Don't need it yet. Here we go. Going on the pier. They've finally got them back. Where's Harvey?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, well.
No, I'm not going in there.
Not that one. We're coming down the pier first.
Can't get in it anyway, we've got the scooter.
Oh, not holding the camera up again. Oh yeah. Oh. Here we go. We're now on the pier.
Number 5, running ahead, 11 below, closely behind, 7 in back.
What?
Number 5 and number 11 fighting in the front. It's number 5 in the lead. 11 taking the lead from 5 in Liverpool. Oh my god, 11 stealing it right.
What did you say? That's it. I can't hear any music at the minute. Can just see a boat just in the distance there. Make sure we get it. Who can see that? Right there, look. People on the beach here, look. This is where they have the donkeys. Haven't got them here today. And Joyland's just there. Here we go. This would be a nice picture as well. I'll get a picture of that in a minute. And then we're on the pier. Have a wander up it. Andrew's waving. You're tired? Let's get some pictures here. Yeah, I'm just trying to keep level on here. Here we are at Joyland. Getting the tokens from here. There you are.
I'm not tired anymore.
No, I bet you're not. Just waiting for Mum again. Here she comes. There we are. These are going on the snails. I'm not. But we'll watch them as they come around, I think. And put a bit of music in there. On them?
Oh yeah.
Babe, did you have fun on them? The snails? An old historic ride, still brilliant even now. And the kids are now wanting to go on here.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time, I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows. And we're all going live, still nobody knows. But I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. back a year ago.
Everyone, well that was Joyland. Did you enjoy it?
Yeah?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah.
I'm on a good day today.
Oh good. Didn't go on everything. I got what I could do on video. I can see all the lights running up behind me now. Look, it looks beautiful now in the light. Look at that behind me now. Blurs out a little bit, look. We're going to go down that way anyway. We're just working out what chip shop we're going to now, but I don't know where we want to go. So we'll catch you when we decide what we're doing. Catch you shortly.